Hundreds gathered at Rams Head Live on Friday afternoon to promote manufacturing jobs in Maryland. The crowd was treated to musical performances by Maryland's own America's Got Talent finalist Julian Irwin and Paul Reed Smith of PRS Guitars. Congressional leaders, state officials, and business owners joined together on stage to rally in support of Maryland manufacturing. This is Leah Michaels reporting for MD Biz Media.
So I have a question, a serious question. Are you ready to make it in Maryland with me? Come on, let's hear it. Let's hear it for these people. Are we ready to make sure that we're embarking on a new direction for next generation manufacturing? Look at who you have. Look behind me. Look at your cheerleaders.
Make it in Maryland. And the great thing about today's event is look at the people up here. You've got Democrats, you've got Republicans, you've got independents, you've got people that don't play music, you've got people that do play music, you've got people that try to play music.
We make everything in Baltimore City. We export to 35 countries, and we're really excited about that. We want to export to more.
We don't roll over in Maryland. Our congressional delegation does not roll over. When we need to stand up, and make sure our rights are protected, we go down there strong. We didn't roll over in the War 1812 when the British were trying to come and take over our country. They might have burned down Washington, but they didn't burn down Baltimore because we do not roll over.
We're moving that manufacturing from Mexico here to Maryland, here to Whitemarsh, right here in Baltimore County.
I really don't. But I promise you, whenever I see an opportunity to have your state step up to the plate and do something like we did at GM or at the port or at other factories and other manufacturing, I am going to do it because that's what we need to do as a country.
Our company has 265 people making guitars on the Eastern Shore, making amplifiers, making acoustic guitars. And we advertise them as made in Maryland. We do not advertise them as made in the USA.
And we need to dust ourselves off, pick ourselves up off the mat. It's not what other countries are doing to us, it's what we're not doing for ourselves. We're the greatest nation in the world, and we're going to make it in America.